What's going on, guys? Let's see how we can find the volume of the region given by this expression using cylindrical cell method. So let's first draw the diagram for this one. So here we have, so the first equation is y is equal to x, so it's going to be a straight line. So let's draw a straight line right here. So it's going to be something like this. Then y is equal to root x, so it's going to go like this, right? And also they have mentioned it's rotating around y is equal to 1. So this is the region it's going to rotate around, and it's going to go like this, so rotate around like this. So this is 1 and this is 0, and this is the region we are trying to find. Since this is rotating around y is equal to 1, we have to write everything in terms of y, so dy, right? So our equation is going to be 2 phi integral height and the radius. So let's say we are radius time height time dy, right? So let's try to find the radius and the height. Since it's rotating in that axis, our rectangle inside is going to look something like this. And also to find the radius is basically the distance between this rotating region and this, right? So this is our radius, and we know this is going to be y, the distance from the origin and this one, so that's y. And also we know that this total distance is 1, so we have to find the radius, and we know that y plus r is equal to 1, right? Y plus r is equal to 1. So here we are trying to find the r, so r is equal to 1 minus y. So 1 minus y is the r, and this is a good expression because we want everything in terms of y. So this is already in y, so we don't have to worry about this. And we have to find the height. Height is basically the length of this one. So to calculate this one, what we do, we go from here region, outer region minus inner region, and that's going to give us this length. Outer region is y is equal to x, right? This line is y is equal to x, and the inner region, that is y is equal to root x. So outer minus inner, so it's going to be, if I say this is f, this is g, it's basically h is going to be f minus g, right? But we want everything in terms of y. So let's equate this one. So first one, y is equal to x, so we can directly say y. And the second one, y is equal to root x, so y is equal to root x means x is equal to y square. So this is going to be y minus y square. Now we have the height in terms of y. So let's write the expression right here. So 2 phi integral of radius is 1 minus y, and the height is y minus y square. Y minus y square dy. So let's multiply this one. So 2 phi integral 1 times y is going to be y, 1 times minus y square is going to be minus y square, minus y times y is going to be minus y square, and minus y times minus y square is going to be plus y cube, and this is what we have, dy. So let's continue in this side, right? So we have 2 phi outside, and integral y is going to be remaining the same, so this is going to be y minus y square minus y square, so minus 2y square, minus 2y square plus y cube dy. Now we can integrate this one. So let's do the integration, and also we have to know the limit of integration. To find the limit of integration, what we do, we just equalize these two equations and find the values. So here we have x and x, but we are trying to find in terms of y, right? So let's equate y square equal to y square equal to y, therefore y square minus y is equal to 0, thus y is equal to y minus 1, 0 and 1. So it's going from 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, and here it's going from 0 to 1, right? So 0 to 1, so we have limits of integration. Let's do the integration and then apply the limits of integration. So if I integrate this one, I get y square over 2 minus 2y cube over 3 plus y power 4 over 4, and it's going from 0 to 1. So if I apply 1 for this one, this is going to be 1 over 2 minus 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4, and if I apply 0 for this one, this will become 0, 0, 0, so we can simply subtract 0 right here. So 1 over 3 minus 2 over 3, 1 over 4. Now what we can do, we can take the common denominator. 5 times 12 is going to be the common denominator, right? So if I take 12, this is going to be 6. This is going to be 4 times 2, that's 8. And here we are going to have 3 times 1, that's going to be 3. So it's basically 9 minus 12. 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So 1 over 12 equal to 25 times 1 over 12. That's same as 5 over 6. Right? 5 over 6 is the final answer. And that's how we calculate the volume using cylindrical cell method. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.